Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert images in Word document on mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Word application. So I just want to insert some images. So from the Word application, so I just create a new document. Just click here. For a plus button on top of my plus button, I just create a blank document. Once I create a blank document, the blank document will be open here. So I just want to change the theme for the dark to light background. I just click the three dots and switch to light background. So this is my Word document. Now I just want to insert the image in my document. What I have to do here? So I just go to Chrome browser and I just browse some drinking water clip art. So I just add these images on my Word document and I just want to take a print. What I have to do here? So I just select this image. So I just want to copy the image. What I have to do here? Just long press on that image. You will have an option called preview image, copy image, download image. Just to copy the image and just go to Word document. Once you go to Word document, just long press, you will get option called paste option. Just hit the button paste. Automatically your entire page will cover that image. What you have to do here, so in your downside you will find option called crop and all types of model will be available in downside. So just reduce the size of the image. You will get an image will be in string and it will keep it in the document side. So now I want to add one more image in nearby that same image. What I have to do here, in your downside you will have an option called three lines with the arrow. So just hit the button and just choose a square. This is called for wrap text. Just click a square option. Automatically it will fix. Once you click a square means the cursor will be moved into next line of your image. Just go to the same images pattern and choose some other images and just long press and copy the image. Once you copy the image, just go to the same word and just long press and paste again. So automatically the image will be pasted over here. So just reduce the size of the image. Yes, and you can move anywhere else. So similarly you can be able to access your entire image and you can click and reduce the size of the image. The size of the image is reduced, but the image is that side. Just click the same amount of the document and just click a square and just move anywhere else. So if you use a square means you can move anywhere else. You can have to access your entire document over here. So similarly you can use a type of the document and you can create. For example, I just want to add one more images in my downside of the document. What I have to do here, just click enter option. It will move into downside next line and just go to the same document and same browsing area and long press on that and copy the image and go to the same places and paste the image. Yep, the size of the image is too big. Just reduce the size and just click here for the square and move anywhere else. So you will have an option, a beautiful option you can find out. So similarly you can arrange your image so that in single page you can able to see all the images and you can go ahead with the printing option. So if you want to share or if you want to print means just three dots and you can save and share and just click a share option. You can save as a PDF and send us a link. Everything you can do. Otherwise just click here for the print preview. So this is my print preview option. You can able to see as well as you can give a direct print in your document. So just click a print option. So getting ready for the printing, connecting the print. So single page, the three images will be added. So you want to have a copy, you can have a copy and select the printer and you can save as a data. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.